Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Word and show the ruler from the View tab to display inches. Use the horizontal ruler for precise placement and measurement. Click the small square in the ruler corner to cycle the tab type before placing a stop. Move the insertion point where you want text aligned. Click the ruler at 1, 5, or any desired position to set a tab stop. Use Ctrl plus Tab inside tables to insert a real tab. Press Tab or Shift plus Tab to navigate stop. Select the paragraph text first before modifying tab stops to apply changes. Choose left, center, right, decimal, or bar alignment for each stop type. Open the tabs dialog to type exact positions such as 0, 5, or 2, 25 for precision. Use decimal tabs when aligning numbers and currency with decimals and dollar symbols. Set a default tab stop like 0, 5 if you prefer uniform spacing. Click Set then OK to apply stops and test alignment with sample text. Use leaders for guides such as dot or dash lines in menus and TOCs. Open the tabs dialog and choose a leader style before clicking Set to apply it. Clear a stop by dragging it off the ruler or selecting it and clicking Clear in the dialog. Use multiple tab stops at precise positions like 0, 75, and 3, 5 for formatted columns or receipts. Save a style with your tab settings for repeated documents and consistently aligned output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.